Hello all the dear students of class 8. How are you all at your home? I hope you must be enjoying yourselves. And today I am going to teach you how you can change affirmative sentences into negative. So this lesson is going to be very interesting. All of you watch this video very carefully and look at the board carefully too. So here I am going to give you some examples. The first one is hunter killed a lion. First of all of you turn to page number 10. Page number 10 of your English grammar book. Number 8. Hunter killed a lion. Hunter killed a lion. Is this an affirmative sentence or negative sentence? All of you answer. This is an affirmative sentence. Alright. So now we are going to change into negative sentence. First of all, identify the tense. Which tense is this? Simple past tense. Simple verb 2 past form of the verb shows that this sentence is in simple past tense. So how you can change the affirmative sentence of simple past tense into negative? By adding didn't or did not, and always write did not plus verb 1. Remember one thing, that whenever we use did, we must use verb 1. Did is always followed by verb 1. Understood? So here will be hunter did not or didn't kill a lion. As here we have used didn't, that's why here will be verb 1. In normal sentences, in affirmative sentences, we use past form of the verb like that, killed, but whenever the sentence becomes negative or interrogative, we must use verb 1. Understood? Have you all got it? Alright. I give you a simple example here. I went. मैं गया. मैं नहीं गया. I didn't go. I didn't went will be wrong. Understood? I went is right because it's in affirmative. And here I didn't go is right. Sometimes you write or you speak like that. I didn't went. I didn't wrote. This is not right. Washerman washes the clothes. Washerman washes the clothes. धोबी कपड़े धोते हैं. और यहां पर है हंटर ने शेर को मारा. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. मारते हैं नहीं, मारा. लेकिन यहाँ पर है पढ़ते हैं, धोते हैं, जाते हैं, नहाते हैं. दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. और सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में जब सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर फॉर्म में रहता है या थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर में रहता है तो वर्ब में एस या ईएस ऐड कर देते हैं. यहाँ पर एसएच है इसलिए ईएस ऐड कर देंगे. अब इसे नेगेटिव में बदलेंगे तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? वॉशरमैन, यह अभी सिंगुलर नंबर में है तो डजंट यूज करेंगे या डज नॉट. वॉश. और यहां पर भी एक चीज ध्यान देंगे कि यहां पर वॉशेस है तो यहां पर डज नॉट वॉशेस नहीं होगा. एक तरह से आप मान सकते हैं कि यही ईएस उठकर डू में लग गया, क्योंकि यहां पर ओ है तो ओ के बाद ईएस ही हमेशा लगता है, इसलिए हमेशा डज होता है. वॉशर मैन डज नॉट वॉश द क्लोथ्स. Write an essay. What type of sentence is this? This is an imperative sentence. लिखो, पढ़ो, उठो, बैठो, come here, go there, stand up, sit down, write it fast, come quickly. These are the examples of imperative sentences. Understood? और एक चीज ध्यान रखेंगे कि यहाँ पर जो है ना यू छिपा हुआ रहता है. यू राइट एन ऐसे बोलते हैं. लेकिन इस चीज को नहीं बोलते हैं, हमेशा वर्ब से शुरू करते हैं। यू स्टैंड अप नहीं बोलकर बोलते हैं स्टैंड अप। यू कम हियर नहीं बोलकर बोलते हैं कम हियर। तो एक तरह से हमेशा यू छिपा हुआ रहता है और यू के साथ डोंट लगता है, डू नॉट, है ना। इसलिए इसे नेगेटिव में बदलेंगे तो डोंट हो जाएगा। डोंट राइट एन एसे। राइट एन एसे, डोंट राइट एन एसे। There is some water in the bucket. There is no water in the bucket. She is a good singer. She is not a good singer. Somebody wanted to see you. Nobody wanted to see you. Somebody को nobody में चेंज कर देंगे तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, यानी कि nobody खुद नेगेटिव वर्ड है, इसलिए अलग से नो लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है। That is very good example. She told me something about you. So you stand up, Anuj. You tell me what type of sentence is this? In which tense this sentence is? Simple past tense. So how will you change it into negative? She does not, did not, told or tell. Tell, verb 1. She did not tell me, something will be changed into anything. She did not tell me anything about you. Here anything is suitable in negative sentence. Understood? Sit down. She told me something about you. She didn't tell me anything about you. Everyone knows who she is. Everyone doesn't know who she is. Understood? Doesn't know. He lives somewhere near the post office. He lives nowhere. Somewhere will be changed into nowhere. He lives nowhere near the post office. Understood? And again, complete I number as well. Change the following negative sentences into affirmative like, they did not try very hard, they tried very hard. I know nothing about her, I know everything about her. Understood? He can play neither hockey nor football. तो इसे बदलना है, he can play either hockey or football. neither nor को either or में चेंज कर देना। आया समझ में? तो आप लोग कंप्लीट करके लाएंगे, और जो भी इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, जो भी स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग भी कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। हालांकि एच नंबर आप आसानी से बना सकते हो। Alright dear students, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, this is your favorite teacher Imtiaz sir says tata bye bye. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself.